Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Friday, Friday. We're back live at it. Again. Again and again and again. Pandas! Good morning, everybody. Hope everyone's doing amazing. Hope everyone's doing amazing. We got 5 Take Profit Pro accounts, Pandas. We got 5 of them. I'm loving TPT right now. I was trading Apex accounts for about 3 months straight, trying to get to 6 payouts. It's nice to have a small break from that. It's nice to be able to withdraw money just after one single day of trading. I don't need to do this 8-day nonsense. I don't need to follow any consistency rules. If I make $8,000 today, I withdraw $8,000 today. Just like yesterday, we made $8,000 and we withdrew all of it, Pandas. You can see 4 accounts are zeroed out at 4,500. I got 1 account getting up there, and I think my goal today, I think I'm just trying to build my account slowly up here. I'm not trying to look for anything big today. I don't know if the market's going to even move big today. Oh, markets. We had news at 8:30. We do have news again at 10. So we might have to wait till news to get, some good movement here. Abandas. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone is doing well. Drop those GMs in chat. Scalp that like button. I mean, we've been absolute killing it on Take Profit. In the last 3 days, we're able to withdraw about how much? About $14,000 in the last 3 days. 14,000, and that's only across 4 accounts, Pandas. 2,500. That's only across 4 accounts. We withdrew $14,000 in the last 3 days. Absolutely ridiculous, Pandas. I mean, I'll take it. It's been a nice break, like I said, from Apex, and it's good just to make some nice bamboo and just trade aggressively when you see good trades, and knowing that you don't have to worry about any consistency rules. You don't have to worry about any nonsense. You don't have to wait for 8 days of trading. You don't have to do any of that nonsense. TPT is the GOAT right now. I personally think TPT, if TPT allowed me to trade 20 accounts. If it allowed me to trade 20 accounts, I would hands down be only trading TPT right now. Hands down. If I could trade 20 accounts on TPT, hands down, I'll be trading only TPT exclusively. They are the best, especially right now. They got a promo. Use code BBM for 40% off. If you get to the funded account, if you pass your test account, you don't pay any activation fee. And the kicker is this, Pandas. If you can get a withdrawal, you get your money back for your eval. It's free, Pandas. It's free. Like, this prop firm is literally giving you free money. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Say good morning, a couple of my pants. Kevin Mack, good morning as always. I appreciate you joining in every single day. Thank you for your support. Moashi Trade, good morning. V1, good morning. Best Guest Trading, good morning. Bub Stocks, good morning. Roger Sam, good morning. Albert M.O., good morning. TG, I thank God it's Friday, Friday, Friday. We are starting with a push down, Pandas. A miraculous push down. Very strong push down here. I'm hearing TPT give. You know what? So Roger Sim says done with Apex. I'm absolutely not done with Apex. I think Apex is the best way to make $1 million. If you guys don't know, my next goal, I'm shooting for $1 million. I'm gonna shoot for $1 million. I think that's gonna be my next goal. I wanted to start next year because I think it's probably better next year. But honestly, I probably have to start this year and do a couple attempts at it. I'm going to start. My goal is to make $1 million. I'm trying to look for $1 million. This year we made over $200,000 in payouts, Apex alone. That's not even including my TPT payouts earlier this year. That's Apex alone. We made over 200K. And so, um, my next goal, I don't know what else to shoot for other than a million. I feel like million is the next logical step. I know it sounds like a huge number. Making $1 million live on stream, like literally every trade streamed live to you guys, trying to make a million, but pandas. Every single challenge we gave ourselves on this channel, we have always passed. It was always just a matter of time. It was a matter of when, not if. And pandas, when I say my next goal is to make a million, trust me, it's a matter of time. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. Trust me when I say this, pandas. I will make a mill. I will make 1 million and you guys will see it live, everything streamed. Trust me, I will make it. Road to a million. I will make it. It may take a couple attempts, but I will make it. Trust me when I say that. Bubstock says, I'm hearing TPT giveaway. Honestly, TPT giveaway, I would do a giveaway, but to be honest, the promo that they have is better than a giveaway because it's free. Even if I do a giveaway, you still have to pay the activation fee, which is like $130. So the promo right now, you can get, yeah. Why I was like, no, don't give out promos, don't give out free stuff here. It's just a strange place to be because the promo's so good. It's actually disadvantageous to give a free account with TPT. It's a weird place to be. So I'm refraining from doing any giveaways because it's actually better for you to just go out and buy one and get your refund once you get your first withdrawal. And but in order to qualify, you cannot do any resets, which is, I feel like most of you guys, we probably wouldn't pay for a reset. Resets are quite expensive. And you can actually reset your PA account, which is actually quite nice. Quite nice. It's crazy expensive, but it's quite nice. All right. Feels like entry long here. I'm confused. I can attempt this trade, but this looks... We've just been in trading range for a very long time, pandas. We've been in trading range for a very long time here. Oh, I'm in trade. Feels like entry long. Decent push down. No follow through on the super strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. It's getting folded at the moment. Folded like crazy. 5-minute prints a super strong bear bar. Like a super strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if we get a little follow through on that super strong bear bar. Any follow through at all would be nice because I'm in this. Am I copying? Yes, I'm copying across all my accounts here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if we can get a nice push down here. It's looking a little bit sus. I think I'm in a good position here, though. I think I'm in a decent position here. I think I'm in an okay position here. I could be completely wrong, though. I don't like that bull bar, obviously. I don't like this big push up, obviously. I thought we had a 20 MA. I thought we had like a channel going for us, protecting us on both fronts like that. I thought we'll look for a new low here. Looks like we'll get hit. It's all good. First trade of the stream, it's always a tricky one. It's always a tricky one because it's early and you don't have much price action to work with. But I don't know. Maybe this will work out. I'm holding, just holding my appropriate stop loss. 10-point trade. It's unfortunate. Just shenanigans, right? We got a bajillion overlapping bars in a row. Reload historical. The 5-minute. If I show you the 5-minute chart, you're gonna be like, all right, that made sense to go short. It made a lot of sense to go short there. If I show you the 5-minute chart, I'm reloading my historical. Once the historical is reloaded, I'll show you the 5-minute because it made a lot of sense to try to go short there once you saw it, once you see it. We do have news coming up. So the 5-minute first candle is like the super strong bear bar. I thought there'd be some follow through, so I tried. I actually tried. I tried to do something that made sense, you know? When you get a bar like this strong, this bearish, any near its low. I mean, I try to do the thing that makes sense, which is like, let's get a little bit of follow through. Like, you know, but the market doesn't have to make sense. So it is what it is. We're down 205. It's all good.
2,500 tick trap.
News at 10. Maybe wait till news for next trade, but I don't know. I don't know what's happening here. I may have to wait for another 5-minute candle to develop to get a good sense of what might happen next. We'd have a gap here to fill. Could be pure trading range, which we've been in this trading range for a long time, marked by the trading range indicator, but we are like having a strong push beneath it with no follow through whatsoever, right? Strong push beneath it, no follow through whatsoever. Strong push beneath it, no follow through yet, at least. I just don't want the next. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
2,500 tick
I don't want to get trapped. I don't want to get chopped up. Looking for a breakout when today's a limit order day. Like I don't want to look for a breakout. Could be a pure limit order day today. Lower high here. Second just short triggering. 2,500 tick chart. Could be enough reason to go short here. Kind of wanted the next candle to finish on the 5-minute and play off that. I kind of wanted to wait for that. Kind of want the next candle on the 5-minute to finish here. About 30 more seconds. I feel like if we break this low, a good chance to at least scalp out here for a little bit of bamboo. Everything's getting folded. Everything's getting folded. Limit order market. Pure limit order market right now. And we got 2 bear bars on the 5-minute chart now. Thinking little small push down here. Maybe triggering Big Mama. Let's allow it to cook a little bit here. Let's give it a little chance to cook. The reversals are so strong. I hate that. Let it cook a little bit here, but I'm not sure. Let's see. I don't want to risk this much. It's not worth this much risk. Unsure what's happening here, but if this comes back up, I don't want to stick around and find out. It's not pushing. It's not really doing anything. It's getting really sus, in fact. Okay, we trigger Big Mama. Any joy with Big Mama here? No joy with Big Mama. No joy with Big Mama. Jeez. No joy with Big Mama. Big Mamas haven't worked out at all. 5 minute right triggers Big Mama. Like Big Mamas haven't worked at all for this year. Like almost the entire year. Like it would at least have a big retracement. It's kind of sickening. I don't know. I don't know about it. I think it just shows the nature of the character of the market. Whenever we break a previous candle's extreme, like previous day's extreme, it just shows like how choppy we are. There's always limit orders there. Always limit orders there. Every single time we break a previous candle's extreme, like it just has potential to just reverse super strong. I'm not holding beyond this. You know, if it reverses, it reverses. If it pushes down, now it pushes down. But I'm not gonna hold through a reversal just because I know reversals can be very strong off the low, previous day low. Unfortunate. We made a little teeny bamboo, but nothing to clamor about. We made 3 points on that trade. Goodness gracious, whatever. It's so choppy. Look at how many overlapping bars there are. I don't really want to like play around with this market right now. It's not anything. It's not good price action right now, to be honest. It's showing itself to be pretty bad. We have news at 10. It's pandas. Bubsucks got the secret jitsu. My entire trader just glitched. And he was down 500, and when it unglitched, it was up 100. Living in the matrix right now. Well, I mean, we are just pure bounce off the previous day's low on the 5 minute chart. That is just sick. No breakthroughs whatsoever. We're probably going to come back, fill the gap. Like, I might be looking for a reversal here. That is probably the best trade we have. Fail second entry short is what I'm looking for. Pandas. That is what I'm looking for right now. Fail second entry short. I would love that here, actually. We got to break a trend to new low. We got all the pieces together. We're going to look for a big reversal here just because we got the nasty bounce off of the previous day's close or low. Albert Emerald got the right idea. Smack that like button. Smack it.
2,500 tick trap.
Ooh. Second attempt on Big Mama. All right. Fair enough.
2,500 tick trap.
I have no clue what's happening here. It's pushing down now. Second attempt on Big Mama is actually the big one. Second attempts always gotta wait for the second attempt, I guess. It's crazy. That's crazy. Let's bounce back up. It's looking for a big reversal, but we're not getting it. No entries either. Like, I'm not going short right there. I'm not gonna go short right there. You had some reason to go short though, for some people. I would say probably after this bar, people feel confident to go short. You can see it there and start to turn always in short. Every single bar. Big push down. Big push down. Okay, now we're reaching the Globex low. Should I try Big Mama on Globex? No joy on the Big Mama on the 5 minute, but we got Globex Big Mama. I could try this, but who knows? Who truly knows here? I guess I'll try. I'll try something. Why not? It's all I got, Pandas. It's all I got. We're currently breaking down. Ooh, snaps back up. I'm thinking one more push down here. This is such a strong push down. On the first entry. Do I want it? Nah. We'll wait for a second entry. I think second entry will be good here. We got a clear area beneath that we want to hit. And now that we got a big push down, right, things change. I wanted a reversal here, but now things have changed. Clear area beneath. Multiple bars coming back to the 20 MA here. First entry here. Not interested. Okay, first entry. Strong bear bar, ending on slow. Most likely, first entry is all you get here. Okay, first entry is all you get. What else is done for the day? I haven't even started trading. Sounds like a good day. Just enjoy your Friday. Seriously, just go out and enjoy it. Today, I could tell it's going to be a little bit tricky. I can tell because this price action up here is all I needed to see that we're going to be tricky today. I already know we're going to be tricky. That's all I needed to see. Again, news at 10, so big bear bar forming on the 5-minute chart. Let's see if it's a strong bear bar. Okay. Shenanigans. You gotta love it. You gotta love the shenanigans here. Absolutely love the shenanigans here. Do you love the shenanigans? You gotta love it. No entry to get to this low, but we're gonna straight to Big Mama in itself. Getting very suspicious. Getting very suspicious. What's happening here? Okay, I can't break a previous candle's high. Being absolutely diabolical here. We're in Big Mama.
Target filled.
I'll take it. I'll take it. I mean, is that 10 points at least? Yeah, it's got 10 point. Got a 10 pointer. We got a 10 pointer. I mean, we're up 335. Well, that's $1,000 today across 4 accounts. I'll take it. Yeah, you can withdraw that money today. You know what I mean? It's good bamboo. It's good bamboo. News hasn't triggered. Right, we're still waiting for news. Hey, second entry short here. Second entry short forming. Whew. It's quite a big move down. I mean, convention says you should go short here. I mean, it's a small risk as well. That's interesting. Second entry short fails. It fails on you. Comes back to retrace here. So sick. So sick. So sick. Failed trap. It's just a weird setup right now. It's a weird setup right now. It's second entry, third entry actually. I wanted the fourth entry. I wanted the fourth entry short. We didn't get it, right? It's an L4 setup, Albrook setup. We didn't get it, so I was waiting for it, but we didn't get it. We got 3 pushes up, not 4. This is technically, I guess, a 4th push up, but. No, it's really suspicious. Wait for news. Got 9 minutes till news. It's getting really weird. This is getting the price action is getting really weird right here. This is not like not safe to trade in my opinion. This is not safe to trade in my opinion. Know what I mean, Pandas? How far down did we go? We got 15 points. Not bad. I think I will keep trading my TPT accounts until I bust them. And then once we bust them, we'll jump to 20 Apex accounts and a new journey, you know what I mean, Pandas? A journey to a mill. A journey to a million. We'll start a brand new journey. But I'm going to keep trading these TPT accounts until I bust them because I'm making money every single day. Like, I'm literally able to withdraw money every single day. If I make 1,000 today, I mean, that's really good bamboo. Really good bamboo if I could just make 1K today. But today, I'll tell you right now, it's like I'm very hesitant to trade right now. We got news coming at 10. And I wouldn't be surprised if we just chop around the rest of the day. We're showing a pretty strong bear trend, but I think it's gonna reverse here. Right, I think the daily chart's showing doji bars. I think we're getting another doji bar here. I think we're probably closed near the previous day's close. Second to short.
2,500 tick trap.
See my pause. Right, the 2,500 tick chart is very, very choppy. Right, we got an OIO pattern. It's very confusing. Ends up being a decent push down here though. But it's an expanding pattern, so you be careful. Key areas, which is the previous week's high, previous week's close. Essentially giving us a weekly doji bar. On Fridays, these are very important areas to look for because Friday's the end of the week, and at the end of the week, the key like the weekly the prior week's OHLC levels are important, and we got a high and up close from yesterday right next to each other. I mean. What a push. News at 10. Wow. Shenanigans right now on the 2,500 tick chart. Shenanigans, 2,500 tick. This is scary. I don't know if I want to take this short. This is kind of bullish looking here. Yeah. Skip it. Skip it. I'd be game to go short maybe up here, though, to be honest. Maybe not with 2, but maybe with 1. I feel like we're in a limit order market, and yeah, I don't know. I feel like we're in a limit order market, so I'm going to go with limit orders here. And we're kind of hitting 2 key areas, right? The top of this channel, and also a wedge here. I feel like we may have to change our mindset to limit order trading very soon. If not now. The 2,500 tick chart gives us the reason why. Because it became a completely limit order market on the 2,500 tick chart. You can tell because you don't get price action like this. Strong bull bar reversed. Strong bear bar reversed. Strong bull bar. let's see if we can follow through. I mean, I'm in no rush here, to be honest. Look at this. There are limit orders waiting right here. Regardless of what you believe, there were limit orders waiting right here, and it gets smacked down. It's just what it is. You can tell purely by the price action that there are limit orders here, 100%. Are there going to be limit orders here is the question. Oh, am I being too conservative here on my entry? I'm being a little too conservative on my entry here. If I really think it's going to push down, I can come here. There's enough room to go short. All right,
2,500
we'll try.
tick trap.
We'll scalp. I'm not a. I'm not like a really. I'm not really big on limit order trading, but we can try here where I feel like the market's obviously turned to a limit order. I mean, news in about 2 minutes, so maybe I should have waited. This trap, so I really want to keep hold of this. I don't think so. But, yeah.
Target filled.
I'll take a little scalperoonie. I'll take a little scalperoo. Just because we're close to news. And, I mean, it seems like little bamboo, but that's almost 10 points. We're up 500. Being up 500 across 4 accounts, pandas. Well, being across 5 accounts, that's pretty good bamboo. I'll take it. Pure reversal setup, but hard to take right at news. It's actually a good reversal setup, but I feel like we're in a limit order market. It's hard to take that for me, in my opinion. Like, I'm recognizing the limit order market. I'm recognizing the doji bar on the 5-minute chart. Right, coming after a huge push down. I'm recognizing the 2,500 tick chart actually has pure limit order trading. We got 1 minute to news, and I think I'm sitting on my pause here, pandas. Is that not the case? Do we not sit on our pause here, or do we go for a big one here? I'll wait for news. I'm not that eager. I'm not that eager. Plus, I'm confused. So, if I knew 100%, like if I had a high degree of certainty where this will go, then maybe I'll try. I mean, I think it's gonna go down. If I had to make a decision, I think it's gonna go down because it's hitting this key area, and we got key areas below that it wants to test. If I had to make a guess, I think it's gonna go down, but we'll see. And news now.
2,500 tick trap.
Yep, down it is. So it did go down. Would I have taken a bet on it? Not really, but there it is. As clear as you can get. Goes down. I mean, is this clear sign that we are in a limit order market and that we're going to bounce here? Because it had an opportunity to really push down, but it failed to do so. Should I go with the spike or go with the bounce? That the spike really didn't have much follow through. I can't take this. The fact that we had news and it like literally came down here and reversed off on a dime. I cannot go short there. It just seems like there are pure limit order trades there that got just reversed the market with such high volume. We're gonna attempt this. Decent reversal up maybe here. Let's see.
Target filled.
Whoa! Easy peasy. Pandas, like, with that news coming down that hard and just just reversing on a dime like that at this low, this pivot low, like something was up, right? Like it grabbed all the liquidity and now it's bouncing back up. Is that like fair to say that's what happened? Is that fair to say what happened? Like it grabbed all this liquidity with the news and just bounced. So all the bulls were just waiting there to refill. Is that fair to say, pandas? Like, if we took advantage of that knowledge, knowledge, took advantage of that knowledge and just blasted upwards. How many points was that? 36-point trade. I mean, and our risk. What was our risk on that trade? Forget how much our profit was. Our risk was 12 points. We 3x'd. We 3x'd that trade. What in the world is going on, pandas? We're absolutely killing it. We're reading this market like a children's book. I'm not gonna lie. I'm so happy with this bamboo. Like, I just want to have a nice weekend. I'll withdraw my $4,800. I'll withdraw my 4,800. For the weekend. I'll have a nice $4,800 extra bonus this week. This weekend and enjoy my weekend with an extra $4,800. Sure, why not? That's a nice little extra bamboo in my pockets. An extra 4,800 pandas. But I'm gonna be absolutely real with you. It's only 80% of that because they take it off the top, right? They take 20% off the top times 4 times 0.8. It's extra 4K in my pocket, $3,888. I mean, I'll take it, pandas. I mean, can you remove 4K right now in TPT? I will put the request in. It's gonna be approved on Monday. So technically, I cannot pull that money out right away, but it's pretty much in the bank, right? I mean, throw it on the credit card, you get interest free, right, for 1 month. Throw it on the credit card and just pay it off. Jeez Louise, $4,000. Huge push up. I mean, I should have held it. I should have held it. I mean, I mean, 3xing my trade. If I had a runner, I'll be holding my runner, but 3xing my trade, that's good for one contract. I mean, I'll protect my bamboo for 3x. Great trade. Sick trade, in fact. But kind of like I said, I feel like it's gonna come back and close near the previous day's close. Right? We got 3 days of doji bars on the daily chart, right? Not 3 days, but we got 1, 2, 3 days of like all the closes near this area. I just feel like we're gonna create another doji bar today. I feel like it was just one of those weeks that's just gonna be indecisive week. Do I want a second entry long here? It could be an okay trade. It could be an okay trade. I'm still wanting to get my lowest account. My lowest account is 3,380. I'm trying to get that account up to 4,500. It's kind of nice to know, right, pandas? When you're at 4,500 on these accounts, every single dollar of profit you make, you can withdraw. So this is like literal bamboo. I can withdraw, like today. It'll be deposited in my account on Monday, but you know what I mean, pandas? Like it's kind of nice. It's kind of cathartic to know like every single. It kind of feels more valuable because now I want to preserve my profits even more because I know this is like money I can literally withdraw and it'll end up my bank account. Like I don't have to wait 8 days. I don't have to build up my balance. I can just withdraw it. TPT, 1 day withdrawals. I mean, seriously, it's crazy. I love it. I absolutely love the payout system. I'm telling you, if TBT allowed me to trade 20 accounts, I would never trade Apex again. I'll tell you that right now. I'll never trade Apex again. But because I can't, because I don't, because Apex is really the only bona fide prop firm that lets you trade 20 accounts at once, that's why I still trade Apex. Here we go. We're in a trade here.
2,500 tick trap.
We're trying with 2. We're going to runner here. Let's see if we get anything nice here. I have some profits to play with now, so I can risk a little bit more. It's a strong uptrend above the 20 MA. And, yeah. And we get the failsafe entry short setting up on the 2,500 tick chart, which would be amazing if we get a little pop off here. Not much though, pandas. Not much, unfortunately. Not much there for us. I really thought the failsafe entry short would be nice on the 2,500 tick chart. It is doing the opposite. It is not giving us much. I had to let it cook though. I had to let it try. I had to let it try a little bit. Unfortunate. I wanted to let it cook. It's okay. It's okay if I lose this trade. I think it's worth it. Ooh, hello. Spoke too soon, maybe. Nice little pop-up would be great here. Nice little pop-up would be amazing here. I'm gonna let it cook though, Panis. Okay, I mean, we're in a good position right now. We're in a very good position right now, Pandas. This feels really good. Pandas, this feels really good. What's going on? It feels really good. This is like a really good trade in my opinion. Hey, what are you doing? Whoa, 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 what are you doing here? Get back up. No one wants you. No one wants to see red right now. Nobody wants to see red right now. Nobody wants to see it. Give me a nice little pop. Pandas! Huh? Nani? Nani? Whoa! Give it to me. I don't care.
Target filled.
I'll take it. Protected my profits. I'm a genius. I'm such a genius. Call me a genius. I'm an absolute genius. How big can I be? How big of a genius can I be? Wow, alright. I mean, I'm glad I took my profits there. I'm glad I took my profits. Shenanigans, but I took my profits. I'm a genius. I'm an absolute wild
5-minute track.
genius. I'm a huge genius. Pandas! I mean, I thought we were going to rock and roll there. Look at the 2,500 tick chart. If I showed you this, if I didn't show you anything else, but I showed you this, like, what would your thoughts be? Probably hit the previous day's close, right? But it just gets folded. I mean, we'll take our profits. We're still clearly above the 20 minute. We're still kind of in this channel as well. It could have more room to go up, but Panda's like, I mean, it is what it is. Whoa, huge gap. Huge gap right there. Easy peasy. I would love 2K profits today, but I'm not gonna force it. I mean, we're in an uptrend right now. What can I say? First entries, unfortunately, stops me out, and then continues back up. It's like, you know, if the market looks like this, like it's kind of like, do I love it? I don't love it anymore. We're still beneath the 20 MA on the 5-minute chart, which is another reason why I'm a little hesitant. And also the 240 SMA makes me a little hesitant to keep going long here. Just why I took my profits out a little quick. Ah, look at this. I mean, I don't love this price action. It's still technically uptrend, but I don't love it. Ooh. Now it's getting a little suspicious.
2,500 tick trap.
Take a walk now? Absolutely. Actually, that might be a good idea. Like I should just end the stream while I'm like up 1,400. If I trade more, my history says that it's gonna be it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad news. Why do I even try to answer phone calls these days? Why do I even answer phone calls these days? Why do I even try? Oh, second entry long works out nice, but you got to recognize the 2,500 tick chart did something wild, right? With a strong bull bar ending on tie, gets folded, and then this gets folded. I'm recognizing right now we're turning to limit order trading once again, and it could be a little bit until we make a real move, but or it could be quick. I don't know. We have lots of resistances above us, so being up 1,400, basically 1,500 today. What does that make it? Let's try. Let's do 1485. Worst case scenario, 1485, because my other accounts are 1485 times 4 times 0.8. Almost 5K. We're like 5K, 5K, 5K profits. Like I can walk away this. I can walk away right now, and on this weekend I'll have an extra 5K in my pocket. What would you do if you had $5,000 in your pocket? If I said, "Here, here's $5,000," what would you do? This you can spend it on anything on this weekend, and if $5,000 disappears if you don't spend it, what would you do this weekend with $5,000? Seriously, all of a sudden you just have $5,000 in your pocket, and the reason why I say that is because it's not a far-fetched scenario. That's exactly what just happened with this trading. Right, we made five. We just made 5K. We made 5K today. Goodness gracious, what a pop up! Just it's diabolical price action at the moment though. Diabolical, right? Because it got a lot of overlapping bars. I like to go long here, but it's lots of overlapping bars right now, so I'm being cautious. I'm recognizing we have turned into a limit order trade.
2,500 tick trap.
Your best trade is to go long down here and actually to go short right here. That's your best setup at the moment. Your highest probable trading is to go short here. Go put it on black and double it. Then you have $10,000. Then what would you do with $10,000 BPCF? What would you with 10K at that point? Put it on red and double it. Kevin Mack says buy more Nvidia stock. That's what you would do. You guys are lame. If someone gave you $5,000 says go enjoy yourself this weekend, what would you do? Put it on Nvidia stock? Ugh, golly. All right. I mean, I guess should I just do like a giveaway, $5,000 giveaway? Should I give away all today's profits and make your dreams come true? The only stipulation is you have to document. You have to record yourself. You have to record yourself this weekend and all the things you do. You gotta document and then upload it. That's the only stipulation with a $5,000 giveaway. I'm not going long here. The market is proving itself enough that it's a limit order market. It can blast off here, but it's just giving some hints that we may turn to a trading range. So plus, right? With extra confirmation, we're at the 20 EMA now on the 5-minute chart. Lazy.
2,500.
I'm not gonna read it, but you guys can read it. Bob says, I'll probably roll around in it, then spend half on a Facebook Marketplace car. That's like a $2,500 car. You're not gonna get much. I think $5,000 for one weekend, like you probably want to like experience, right? A cruise, going on a cruise or something. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourselves. Like I said, like I would go long here typically, but there's a lot of reason to think we're turning to a limit order market here, and actually pretty difficult to trade. I know, and if I go short here, or if I go long here, the 5 minutes has a potential second entry short waiting for us. Plus, we got a lot of bear bars leading up to here. We need some sign of reversal, in my opinion. I said the best trade you have was going short at the top of this. Wow, going long at the bottom of this was your next best trade, which is exactly what's happening here. Scary though, scary place to go long just with limit orders. With just limit order trading, I mean, virtually no risk, but probability very kind of low there. Cruise, that's worse than buying Nvidia on the weekend. Cruises are fun. I don't know. Some cruises are nice. Some cruises are nice, I think. Do I have a $500 trade waiting for me here?
2,500 tick trap.
Is there a $500 trade waiting for me? Two contracts. That's a 12.5 move, 12.5 point move, which is actually a lot these days. I'll tell you what though, this market is moving today, but we are getting signs of limit order trading at the moment. We are definitely getting signs of limit order trading, so I'll be very careful here. I've been on a cruise one time in my life, and I had a lot of fun, but that was like a long time ago. It might be a little. I feel like it'll be a little lame for me now. Wow. Talk about chop. This market's getting chopped. The PA is chopped. I think you're better off just sitting on your paws right now. This day is getting chopped. I'm happy with my profits, man. I was like, I'm extremely happy with my profits here. Second just short on the 5-minute chart. Just triggered with that move. Whew. I'll consider it, but the risk is huge, and we turn to limit order market. Tay says should get tickets and fly Spirit, and then throw the leftover cash in the air mid-flight and videotape it. What are you guys doing? It's like you guys. It's like you guys don't. I mean, $5,000 is good bamboo, but it's not like $1,000,000. It's like it's just $5,000. I mean, it's nice. It's not life changing money though. While I would bet 5K on Kamzat by submission. Is that this weekend? I enjoy myself. Maybe I'll buy the pay per view. Or should I do the cool thing? VPN it. VPN it for free somewhere else. Pen. Pen. Penis, penis, penis. How confusing is this right now? How confusing can we get here? Hmm. Like, it's one thing when the 5 minutes beneath the 20 MA, 2500 above the 20 MA, 500 tick chart going in and out of 20 MA. So this is just ultimate confusion. Honestly, Bob Stocks, back in my day, WrestleMania was expensive. WrestleMania, pandas. I loved wrestling. I loved wrestling. I I loved it. It was so fun. It always ended so late. Buy Panda, a baby Panda, a mini Corvette. Those were like $20. Papa Panda's enjoying his Corvette. He absolutely loves it. It is one of the best decisions I've made. Financially, worst decision you can make, but in terms of like life, one of the best investments I've made. It's about how many smiles per mile, right? Steiner Brothers, the Frankensteiner. It was called the Hurricanrana, some of that, by other people. They were jacked. The Steiner Brothers were jacked. They're WCW, I believe, right? It used to be WCW and WWF. WCW was like a little more like kid friendly, I think. It was like a little more lame. WWF was like a little like more hardcore, I think. I don't love anything here. It's too many 11 bars. Just gonna watch this play out. Sting. I think Sting was like so cool when I was a kid. He basically was a knockoff of the Crow. Rest in peace, Hulkamania. Stacy Keibler. Who's that? I'm gonna regret looking this up or not. Stacy Keibler. I don't remember this girl. Who is this girl? Nah, she's not it. I'm sorry, she ain't it. This girl ain't it. She ain't it. I'm surprised YL doesn't like China. I thought YL would like love China. Isn't that crazy? We came from a time where there was an Asian wrestler called China. Nah, she ain't it. She ain't it. I don't think so. I think right now the prettiest wrestler, woman wrestler. Oh jeez, oh jeez, what's happening? Let's see, where is she? I can never remember her name. I don't watch enough wrestling. Is it this girl? I forget her name. No, oh my goodness. I think the worst looking girl is Rhea Ripley, whoever that is. She is just. Oh my goodness. I mean, you shouldn't judge a book by its cover, but man, it's a pretty bad cover. I'm having a hard time finding. I cannot find. What's her name? It's that wrestler that looks like Margot Robbie. Liv Morgan. Goodness gracious, that was hard to find. I don't know why. Liv Morgan. Liv Morgan, I think is like, I think she's like super pretty for like a female wrestler. She literally just looks like a like a petite version of Margot Robbie, and she's a wrestler. She's like I watched her one time. Mrs. Panda actually took me out. Mrs. Panda actually took me out to like a wrestling event later in my life. I told her like, oh yeah, I loved watching wrestling. My parents would never allow me to even watch pay-per-views because it cost more than 1 cent. Anything that costs money, they would not allow me to do it. Let alone let me go to any wrestling event. And Mrs. Panda, out of the sweetness of her heart, surprised me one day with tickets to SmackDown, and I saw Liv Morgan. I was like, oh yeah, she's very entertaining to watch. American Gladiator girls? No, I just I thought American Gladiator was fun to watch. I always wanted to be the person who like shot the little gun that shot like tennis balls at people when they had to like run through the course and get to the end. Like I always wanted to do that. I always thought that was so fun. Like that would be so fun. You know what? They should do that. They should make like an adult kind of like playground. And one of the things that you can do is like American Gladiator stuff. Like basically like you had two teams and like you could just do American Gladiator stuff. That would be so fun. Basically I just want to shoot balls at people. I mean, Pandas, look at this. Look at the price tag. When I said the market was getting choppy, when I said the market is starting to show signs of limit order market, like when I saw these two bars form like this, I knew you guys start being careful. And boy, oh boy, it got choppy. The market got chopped. The market's chopped right now. Very, very sensitive to choppiness right now. I hate choppiness. And I'm just like, if it happens, it happens. I don't want any part of it. The 2500 tick chart, look it's above the 20 MA. The 5 minute chart beneath the 20 MA. Like this is confusion to the maximum here. Like which one is it? Which one is it? I mean we're closer to this key level than this key level, so I'm thinking it's gonna try to test the previous day's close. So I think it's setting up for, but I have no clue, Pandas. It's going really back and forth. It's called Wipeout. I think Wipeout would be fun. That'd be like really fun to do. But not like I don't want to be on TV. I just want to like do it for fun. I just want to try it. But I don't want to be like broadcasted. It's just like I think it'd be fun to do like with couple friends. Maybe not. Maybe not now. Maybe not now. I'm a little old. I've been, after I started streaming and trading, like, my joints and my muscles are not what they used to be. Very stagnant lifestyle at the moment. Jeez Louise. Ah, the market is chopped. I'm so happy with my 1500. I'm very happy with my 1500. That is very good bamboo, I think, for a day like today. Very good. I think we took a lot of advantages today. I think we took advantage of the market when we could. And then when the market's starting to get choppy, we were very, very quick to realize it and not trade into it. Okay. Hmm. We're testing the bottom of this trading range before we could test the top, right? We didn't quite get up there. This could be signs that we're breaking down here. Hmm. Is it worth a fail second entry long though? The bottom of a trading range? I don't know. I'm happy with my profits. I don't think I need more than this. I'm gonna enjoy my 5K this weekend. Do it on Monday and I covered a stream for you. If YL streamed, like, you got it just be like just losses every single day. Which, fair to say, there was a time where I did lose a lot of money in a row. There was a time in my streaming career I did lose a lot, and I've learned from every mistake from those days. Rude. To be honest, I have no idea. YL sometimes makes some good calls, like when he said the market's gonna go up, it's gonna shoot up. He said that, what, last week was it? And there was a time where the market did shoot up a little bit. All right. I mean, I'm setting my pause. This is quite confusing to me. 4 overlapping bars in a row. Does trigger the fail second entry long. Could be a decent push down here. I don't know. It's very tricky. It was August 5th. Bubs knows the day. August 5th when YL made the greatest call of his lifetime. Let's look at August 5th real quick, Pandas. I'm not sure if I even go back that far. Nah, I don't think because having that many days on the 500 tick chart, this like really makes it slow. You know what? I think I actually can I go that far back? I can go that far back. Here we go. I think YL made the call like the market's going up. I think it was like right here. I think YL made the call right here. I think he made the call like right here on this spot. The moment he made the call. It was the greatest call of his lifetime, possibly. That's what happened right after he made the call. But fair to say, the next day, it did shoot up. It did come back up. Plus more. And the day after that, it did shoot up. So technically, Maybe he was, giving us the call for the next day. And why do I have so many days marked on this chart? This is why it takes so long for me to load my chart up. Let me see. I don't need 15 days. I need like, let's do 10 days. I don't think I need 10 days, to be honest. Probably only really, you know what? I'll probably reduce even more. Let's do like 8 days. 8 trading days. I mean, the market is absolutely chopped. We're still in this trading range, essentially, that we've been in for a very long time. Second, just short here. You know what? I'm going to try. Excuse me. Hello? Just because I see this. I don't want it comes back up at this point. If it comes back up, retraces, not a good sign.
2,500 tick trap.
I'm just curious what happens here. 2,500 tick trap. I'm curious to see what happens here. If we get a fail second too long here, I'll try. Hmm.
Five-minute trap.
Wow, what a move. I'm glad I didn't take that short now. Like I said, if it retraced, I don't know if I want to stick around. Disgusting price action. I think we're done. I think I'm done. It's chopped. So many overlapping bars everywhere. Even the higher time frames, all overlapping bars in a row. Too many overlapping bars in a row here. 5 minute. Ooh, fail second entry long. Wow, is this the push? Is this a push down? I hate to try, but we'll try here. I'm going to take it only with one of my accounts. My lowest account. Just for the hopes of this making like $1,000. Let's try with 3. We're in this trade. Bear bar ending near its low. Mm-hmm. Retraced. You gotta love the retracements there. It's all good. I tried. I tried. After that push down, I thought we would just run away with it, but all good. We didn't. I mean, I was close. I was close. We almost got it. I didn't want to stick around. I didn't want to have more retracement. I don't know. The market's too chopped for me. The only unfortunate thing about that trade is I just lost pretty much the rest of my threshold on that. So I have like $900 less threshold because of that trade, unfortunately. But it is what it is. It is what it is. We tried. Panis, I think that's it for today. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. Make sure you use code BBM for TPT, 40% off. And you get no activation fee, and you got a refund on your eval. It's just amazing. Amazing. The best deal ever in the history of prop firms. To be honest, like that's really the best deal I've ever seen. Better than Apex, 90% off. Because you still got to pay the activation fee with Apex, 90% off. So I'll say take advantage of it while it still lasts. I think with TPT, you guys can see how amazing TPT is an experience, where you can literally withdraw like today. I could withdraw this today, and that's the best part about it. So, um, and I think I'm gonna keep trading TPT until Apex, until I bust these accounts. So every single day, if I can like make 200, 300, $400 like per account, that's like an extra $1,000 per day. Technically, if I make $1,000 per day, I can make $1 million a year, but it's very difficult, Pan. It's like I know for a fact I cannot make $1,000 per day across one like. Oof, we're coming back down. What a big draw pullback here. You hate that pullback. You hate to see it, but it is what it is. Uh, so that's why I like Apex still. Again, like if I could trade 20 accounts and take profit, I would do that in a heartbeat. Would do that in a heartbeat, Pandas. Jeez Louise, I'll do that in a heartbeat. Man, oh man. But we can't, so it is what it is. Pandas, with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. I'll see you guys bright and early on Monday. Yeah, trade safe, and as always, happy trading with us. Bye.